Hey everyone, and welcome back to the third installment of my video tutorial series. Today we're gonna go over the aforementioned how to import your model into Forma from our last video. So I'll start off in Forma, of course, with the AMDC building model site we had from our previous video. So we want to send in our proposal from a different application onto this site where AMDC is. So to do that, we need to go to this import icon here, and through there we can insert the file as a obj, dwg, dxf I meant, and any other files seen here. Now you'd go into your model in Rhino. In this case, I have my model here as a proposal on the side of AMDC, scaled to how the site is within millimeters in Rhino. And what you want to do is to go into Files and click on Save As, and save the file as a either DXF or the OBJ. I saved my file as an OBJ just to make it easier. Now going back into Forma, you want to go into the import and essentially click on the import screen, and it will then pop up with the option to find where your file is, which isn't showing up on screen unfortunately for privacy reasons. But the model will then appear as can be seen here. You just need to make sure that the measurement is changed into millimeters, as Autodesk will count its building as a meter, but unfortunately in Rhino its default is in millimeters. So you want to change that in order for the model to look proportionate to the other buildings within the site. Now what you want to do is go to your site and delete that base model that they have in order to put our proposal in. We can do that via clicking on the edit base first, and then clicking on the model, then simply pressing delete. Once you do that, you can then drop in your model there, place it onto where your site is, and like so. We can then finally do a sun analysis on our building proposal with the same steps as of our last video. So click on the sites that we want, just to make sure that our building is the main one that the site analysis will happen on, and start the analysis. Once it finishes, you show on the top bar right there, and you can go in and see the results. And there you have it. Now you know how to import a proposal into Forma and do a sun mount analysis on that proposal that you've imported. Thanks for watching.